We've been outside, had a little look at the machine in action. I now want to talk to you about something very exciting, which is the fact that Delta, major player in the UK print industry, have taken this SpeedSet machine into their brand new factory in Bishop Stortford. I want to know why they've done that and find out a little bit more about that.
Yeah, good question and interesting because Delta have been the leaders in a lot of ways. They were first with some single pass technology, really took the leap. I think, if anything, Delta has been a long time partner of Agfa and Inca in the past. They've had a lot of our technology over the years, and there's a good foundation in terms of customer client partnership. And what I know about Delta is they like to be the first. They like to be the first. They love technology, but they also have their own business ambitions. And from a business perspective, they are looking for solutions, partners that can help them deliver their sustainable strategy, which is carbon neutral, net zero, 2030. So SpeedSet, being water-based, paper-based materials, it allows them to look at how they produce some of what they do today on plastics with UV technology or conventional inks, and potentially move away from that to water-based and paper-based materials, and lighter weight materials, better for the economy. And when you dive into some of the detail of what Delta are trying to do, they're looking at the full story. So it's not just about the equipment, the factory, the whole how they
the ethos
energy.
Of the business, isn't it? And I know that they've got other tech, EFI, HP. So this SpeedSet fits in with that, doesn't it? Not necessarily competing, but offering different option for them, really, doesn't it?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, and from Agfa's portfolio, they already have Taro, they've had Onset, and moving towards SpeedSet, it just gives them a different angle for delivering to their clients. And out of home and paper based. Out of home, a lot of poster materials, which maybe the application is more suited to something like SpeedSet versus some of the other equipment. But what it does is it allows them to complement that equipment with the SpeedSet.
Yeah, brilliant. Thanks, Matt. Now we've got a chance to speak to Martin Shipp, who is COO of Delta, and find out more about his view of the SpeedSet that they've just bought.
My name's Martin Shipp. I am the COO for the Delta Group and effectively responsible for areas of manufacturing and operational process throughout. So the group is quite widespread as far as some analogue processes, standards, sort of B1 conventional litho, mini web, but also still have a screen within the group. But on top of that, I believe they are the world's first users of having 3 Nozomis under one roof. We've got a few Indigos. A part and parcel of our roadmap at the moment is we currently have 4, and that will reduce to 2 in the future. Yeah, so the new site in Bishop Stortford is purpose-built. It's a BREEAM Excellent standing building, and that's part and parcel of the strategy for the group as well. So certain things like 60% of our daytime energy will come from solar power. Part and parcel of our sort of roadmap and our history as a business is being sort of pioneering, really trying to push boundaries on where we go with technology. So we've got full intention to run anything from 115 gram all the way up to 2mm materials on the SpeedSet, with obviously the added advantage of enhanced speed, wall-based, and very high quality printing. If you drew a Venn diagram of all the products that we produce as a group, you've got certain aspects of it which fit into small format digital. We've got Indigos with variable data, and you've got the classic sort of 106 B1 litho offsets, of which you can, if you threw a net over that sort of products, the SpeedSet really does capture quite a lot of that. So it enables the game to sort of further consolidate. And with the aspect of it being digital, we're obviously looking at reduction of waste and make readies and plates, etc. as well. Yeah, the build is pretty much complete now. We're looking to be inking up and really sort of testing it in anger. So first couple of months will really just be bedding it in, make sure everything's sort of connected correctly. I'm sure there'll be a couple of bumps in the road that we'll experience, as you do with these kind of things of being early adopters. But after that, it's really about pushing those boundaries out and really starting to test some of the more peripheral materials and see what market share we can gain.